what's going on, guys? My name is Shane and welcome back to my channel. Today, Lush has finally released the holiday collection. Now, by the time this video comes up, Lush has had the collection in stores for a little while. This box has been sitting here. I've been dying to open, so let's get into it. Oh, by the way, my little skeletons are gonna be hanging out with us today. I thought they were perfect. I couldn't help myself. Here it is, the Fragile box. I did open it, I didn't look in it, and I'll tell you why I opened it in just a second. I promise I didn't look at any other products, but as I mentioned, I ordered most of my stuff online. I had filled up a cart and I took a couple items off, some items that I didn't think that I would personally use, and one of the items I ended up regretting taking it off, but I went into a Lush and I picked up that item in person. So the only reason that I opened this box was to make sure that I put this little guy in here as well so I didn't forget. But as soon as I opened the box, the smell coming out of here is amazing. So let's go ahead and open it right up. So of course I have an idea of what's in here. I ordered it. That doesn't mean I kind of forgot. So we have a bunch of peanuts here. Let me go ahead and hop on Lush here real quick. Sounds like my husband got my motorcycle running, and that's really exciting. So Lush, let's go to the United States website. Ooh, even in front, babe. With one eye open, Halloween is here, but not for long. Seriously, get yours. So I just clicked on the Halloween tab and I'm gonna scroll down. That way, as I pull out each item, we can learn a little bit more about it as well. I actually think I want to kind of pull everything out of the box. I do have a gift in here and I'm most excited to open up the gift, and that's kind of what I want to start with today. So that's what I'm gonna do. So let's get these peanuts out of the way. We do have another little baggie. This did not come from me. This came from my order. So we'll put that aside as well. I have a feeling I know what that is. And then, so many peanuts. Woo! So here it is, our little gift. Let's go ahead, jump right into the box. Oh, this is my first, nope, it's not. This is my second gift bag from Lush. The very first one came from the little, I believe I had the bats. They had like a pumpkin and a bat, and they did the bat one this year again. No, they did the pumpkin one. Let me see here on the, oh, okay, yeah, wrapped gift, little pumpkin. So they did do that one again this year. They changed the scent, I believe, this year. Last year it was Lord of Misrule. This year it's like ectoplasm. So we could always ruin the fun, and I believe, yeah, that has an idea of what's in the packaging, but I just want to open it up with you guys and check out the products. It says, turn bath time into a spectacular experience with our 4 Halloween treats and a reusable wrap. Now this is the Bewitched gift. There's also a 2-headed monster gift. So the box that this is actually wrapped in is the reusable wrap. It's kind of like a bandana, so I definitely want to hang on to that. But let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, it's so cute. I can't even. Okay, so once you get the actual wrap off, ooh, first of all, this gift was lovingly packaged by Amy's team. So thank you very much, Amy's team. Oh, these peanuts are star-shaped though. Cute. All right, we're starting to see some of the products in here. So let's go ahead, pull something out. So the first thing that's grabbing my attention is this big, what I think is a bubble bar or some sort of bath bomb. So this is actually the Lord of Misrule bath bomb. Bath bomb. Revel in your bath with this mischievous bomb that features a spicy herbal blend of patchouli and black pepper oil. Inspired by the ruler of the pagan Feast of Fools, Lord of Misrule has a deep green exterior that slowly frosts away to reveal a rich wine-colored center. Cool. Just like the Feast of Fools, when the wine starts to flow, the popping candy crackles and the festivities begin. Interesting. So I do remember, as I just mentioned, mentioned, I think last year this was their main scent. Now I might be totally off, but I do specifically remember getting Lord of Misrule in their Halloween collection one year. So I'm very fond of this scent. It's kind of more of a masculine scent to me, but it is that very nice spice. All right, let's see what other goodies we got in here. Oh, this is so cute. So this looks like a little ghost shape. It is packaged and sealed, so let me get that open. This one smells so nice. Give me a second to find it. I know that the label has all of the little guys on here, but I like reading from the I like reading from the website itself. So this little guy, this skin-friendly ghost keeps your corporal form in fine physical condition. Citrus sweet lemongrass lifts spirits while fair trade organic cocoa butter moisturizes skin, making it eerily supple and smooth. No worry about losing this bar in the ether, it glows in the dark. Scare away dirt, oil, and dryness with this one multitasking bar. Very interesting. So this is just a bar of soap, but we gotta, oh, I can kind of see how it could glow in the dark. I'm gonna turn off my ring light real quick. It's not quite nighttime out, so there is like a bunch of windows around me, but maybe turning off my ring light, we could possibly see something. You guys, okay. So I know it's real difficult to see, but it's definitely, oh, it's glowing! I wish you guys could see it in person, or at least it was dark outside so you get more of the effect of it, but it definitely glows in the dark. Next, I'm pulling this little black cat out of our bag. This little guy is called the Bewitched Bubble Bar. I actually really love bubble bars, so I'm so excited to use it. Drop your suggestions. Crossing paths with this black cat brings nothing but luck. Crumble up this fab feline under the tap to conjure up a cloud of fruity bubbles and dark, mysterious waters. One bath and you'll agree this kitty is absolute perfection. I'm a big fan. This has a lot of citrus. No, this has bergamot oil. And the last item in our Bewitched bag, and I saved this for last because it's so glittery. This is, I think, a sparkle pumpkin. I feel like I either saw this or we had something really similar not that long ago. But I have a feeling that this is a bubble bar of some sort. Oh my goodness, just touch, woo! Just touching it, that's why I didn't open it first. So this is a bubble bar. It's called Sparkly Pumpkin. I have a ball in the bath with this warm and cheerful bubble bar packed full of sparkle and citrus for cool winter nights. The energizing blend of juniper berry, lime, and grapefruit oils make this a perfect long lingering soak that'll leave skin kissed in softness with a light plastic-free shimmer. That's what I kind of assumed, that this item would actually leave your skin quite shimmery. So I like saving stuff like this for special occasions. You know, I got some holiday parties coming up, maybe bathe in the morning and get all sparkly and smell really good. So oh no, that's a sparkly one. All right, so that was everything in the Bewitched box again, but don't forget, I do still have two little bags to look at. So I'm gonna start with the one that came in the box that was part of the whole packaging, and I believe that is this one. Yes, it is. I couldn't help myself. I was obsessed, and this is actually one of the products that was allegedly leaked in that last video that I did. They mentioned something about an eyeball bath bomb, and I was all for it, and I was so glad. So glad. I'm not disappointed whatsoever. Now, the eye is not on both sides. It is just on one side, which tells me that that product probably doesn't go all the way through. But let's learn a little bit more about our eyeball here. Blink and you'll miss it. This good looking balm is easy on the eyes. The puns though, the puns. And the nose. It's fabulously floral of blender. What? It's a blend of lavender, rose, and yin yang oils. Combined to create, or lang lang oils, combined to create a supremely smoothing aroma. Perfect for those looking to get a little more shut eye. Eyeball makes for a frightfully relaxing evening bath. So I'll definitely keep that in mind about the lavender. Lavender oil actually helps you sleep really, really well. My husband used to have lavender essential oil. We kept it next to our bed all the time. So I want to keep this if I'm having a really restless night or I've just had a long week and I just want to get, you know, a lot of shut-eye. We'll be using this guy. Our last Halloween Lush product. Now, I didn't get any of the ectoplasm stuff and now I'm kind of regretting it a little bit. If you got it, let me know what you think of it. To me, I think they had like an exoplasm shower gel and then something else. Neither of them really spoke to me. I was kind of like, meh. I'm kind of like, I love jellies, and unfortunately they haven't been coming out with Halloween jelly, so I was kind of bummed about that. But I love like bubble bars, I love bath bombs, that kind of products from Lush. I kind of felt guilty. Like I said, I added a bunch of stuff to my cart from the Halloween collection, took a bunch off, and one of the things that I took off was part of the two-headed monster collection, so I really wanted to get it, and he's really cute. So this is called Monster Ball Bubble Bath Bomb. Throw yourself in a ball and revel in the possibility of the most beautiful bath water ever. The Cyclops' outer layer creates swirls of pink from atop deep blue purple waters as a fruity lime fills the air. Make sure you save a dance for this beautiful monstrosity. Trust me, you won't regret it. Wow, that went really fast. I know I didn't have a ton of products, but that went really fast. Let me know if you guys went out and got any of these pieces from this Halloween collection this year and what you think of them. Let me know what you think in general of the collection. Like I said, I'm definitely missing out on the jellies. I remember a couple years back I had gotten like a bat jelly and it was probably one of my favorite products. So that's just my personal opinion. Everything that I got I'm so excited about today. Everything was so beautiful and I wasn't disappointed about anything, and I have a lot of new products to use. I'm very much looking forward to Christmas's launch as well. I'll keep my eyes out for that and see when it's finally launched in online, not in online. That way I can get it to you guys and share the collection, and we can do this again because this was way too fast. But if you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and leave a big thumbs up, and if you don't want to miss any new videos, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!